Hey friends, it's Halloween night. Let's count together. Hey friends, I'm Ravi the Parrot and it's Halloween night in the jungle. Let's count all the spooky treats we find while trick-or-treating with my friends. Are you ready? Grab your candy bucket and let's count together. One. I see one big orange pumpkin glowing bright. It's smiling at me. Not too spooky, just silly and fun. Say it with me. One pumpkin. Can you spot a pumpkin near you? Two. I see two friendly bats flying across the moon. Flap, 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 just like me. Let's count them together. 1, 2. Great job. 3. I found 3 colorful candies in my trick-or-treat bag. Yummy and sweet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 4. I see 4 spooky lanterns lighting up the jungle path. Each one glows in a different color: red, purple, green, and yellow. Can you count to 4 with me? 5. I see 5 black cats walking softly under the glowing moon. Each cat has shiny green eyes and cute little tails that curl as they sneak past the pumpkins. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black cats. Meow. Great counting, everyone.
One pumpkin glowing orange bright, 2 bats flapping through the night, 3 candies sparkle at a sight, 4 lanterns glow with friendly light, 5 black cats with eyes so green. Counting with Ravi on